Make a great choice today with the 2019 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, fog lamps, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.